Welcome to today's lesson. Today I am going to teach you how to make baby jelly. How to make baby jelly. Baby jelly is an essential skincare product that is used to keep babies warm during cold weather conditions. After bathing your baby during this condition, it is always advisable to apply jelly on his skin instead of the normal baby lotion. Baby jelly helps to block baby skin pores so that there is no loss of heat energy through his skin. When the weather becomes warmer, the jelly gradually melts away, freeing the baby skin pores so that the baby can lose heat energy. Besides this function, baby jelly can also be used for other purposes, such as healing of minor cuts, minor inflammation, especially when there's no scent added to it. And if you choose to add scent to your baby jelly, ask for a baby-friendly scent or fragrance oil. In today's recipe, we are going to make about 1 liter of baby jelly. And the recipe is petroleum jelly 400 grams, paraffin oil 500 ml, paraffin wax 40 grams, fragrance oil 25 ml. Now let's see the procedure for making our baby jelly. The first thing to do is place a clean pot on fire and heat it to dry. The next thing is pour in the petroleum jelly, paraffin wax, and paraffin oil into the pot and heat to melt. Pour the petroleum jelly, paraffin wax, and paraffin oil into the pot and heat to melt. Now after they have been melted, remove the pot from fire and allow the content to cool. Remove the pot from fire and allow the content to cool. Add the baby-friendly fragrance and stir. Pour it into a container and allow it to cool and solidify. Pour it into a container and allow it to cool and solidify. Your baby jelly is ready. Thank you.